Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, Omniacs. Thank you all for tuning in. And this time, you're tuning into my 3013th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, traders. So, what's going on out there? Well, this is video 3013. A lot of videos coming your way to teach you about technical analysis and, of course, keep you appraised of what should be coming next. This is video 313, 3013, filmed on Wednesday afternoon for trading Wednesday through Thursday, Jan 8th, 2026. Please remember how risky trading is. Risky. Trading is risky. Never trade without protective stops and put them in first before you enter into live positions. So, at the Omni Trading Academy, here's what we've been looking at, kids. Is Wall Street going to call this a double top? It's pretty darn close, don't you think? I mean, the distance between here and here is the only difference between this top, down you go, and back to this top. Now, the Omni has gone neutral. Right here, the Omni has gone neutral. So it doesn't want me to buy or sell. The Omni has gone neutral for trading on Thursday. But my Omniacs know me well, and every now and then I've got something I like to call an Oscarism trade up my sleeve. And I promise you we're going to get one tomorrow if it sets up. Oscarism trade is probably what will end up in, traders. If you want to follow me, fantastic. If not, fantastic. But I'll probably find us a nice Oscarism trade because we've got a neutral Omni. And you know what a neutral Omni means? The cuffs come off, the gloves come off, and I get to be me. Yes. Every now and then, Omni sets me free. So I'll be set free on Thursday. We'll see what I can do. So if you're following me, we're going in Oscarism style. So here's your E-mini S&P. And it does look like the street's going to call that a double top. The Omni has gone neutral, which tells me we're probably going to have at least one down day coming up this week. Now, where can it go? Maybe drop down to here? No big deal. So what, even if it gets down here? A couple of quick charts I want to show you because I hate a landscapers out there. They're going to ruin my video. So, you've got this E-mini S&P. Now, what would keep the E-mini S&P up? Let's take a look at this guy. Don't worry, because the worldwide stimulus is coming our way. That's crude oil, the worldwide stimulus. Traders, I've been showing you this perfectly used by Wall Street chart since they started using it weeks and weeks ago. Every time you get to that average, down you go. Now there's going to be sell stops under the double bottom. Crude oil, take us home, baby. That should give some buoyancy back to the stock market. So, stock market looks like it may want to have a day down. We'll deal with it, right? We'll do an Oscarism trade if that's what's going to happen. Crude tells us even if S&P goes down for a few days, don't worry about it because crude stimulus pushes it back up. Many other reasons, of course. That's just one of the reasons why it would go back up. And then we've got this, traders. The Omni Trading Token. Look at this bad boy go. Omni Trading Token is about to approach the top of this bull flag. Look at that right there. Right? So nice bull flag. Hits the top, hits the bottom. Nice fat bull flag. We got a secondary line in there if we need one. And it's starting to look pretty smart. Now, I can tell you this. I literally am having meetings right now with YouTube influencers and with people all over the world to pump up the awareness of the Omni token, and because of our credibility for these 40 some odd years, the Omni token gets a lot of credibility with all you Omniacs around the world involved in this. You're protecting the coin. When someone sells, Omniacs come in and buy. I'm right there buying with you. Love you guys. I'm putting more money into the liquidity pool to help protect the Omni token even more and keep the stability in and volatility out of it. I am going to do a ton of advertising. I promise you this is all in the works. I work very hard on this. We've got utility coming. I promise this bull flag is going to go. It should. I can't promise you anything. I can promise you this. Utility is coming our way as soon as they sign the rules and laws that allow us to do it. We've got lots of Omniacs around the world coming in, and we expect that this bull flag is going to work. And before that bull flag takes us higher, make sure you Omniacs around the world get in. I am here to help protect you, help keep this coin buoyant, and to make sure we've got a viable token that will help traders around the world. I promise you, I've gotten phone calls, emails, texts from people around this world that since I created this token a couple of months ago, it has elevated their lives. They've made enough money to do so much better. Oh my God, I couldn't ask to do more. Omniacs around the world, unite. Help us keep this moving. Let's continue to help Omniacs around the world, and I promise I will break my back to help you get that going. The rest of us that aren't trading crypto, we're killing it with the Omni this week, in crypto as well, but we're killing it in the Omni this week. Head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade. Get ready for what's coming our way Thursday. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, stop. Wait, stop. I can't do this. I've got a live webinar coming on Monday. Oh my God, I'll leave you the link below. I almost forgot. Check this out. Live webinar Monday. Let me put the text in for you. Live webinar Monday afternoon, 4 p.m. Eastern Time. The link will be provided right below this video. It is absolutely free. No credit cards will be required. Live webinar Monday. All you have to do is click the link below this video in the comments and make sure you register. I'll see everybody there 4 p.m. on Monday. Metastock is a great company that does great things, and they're hosting a bunch of us. My presentation time, 4 p.m. this Monday, 4 p.m. Eastern, live webinar. Click the link below. Make sure you register. Traders, remember, stop sorting. Emotions are rock and roll. Traders, thank all of you for tuning in. Please leave your comments below. Please click the link below and register for my live webinar. And please use your stops and keep yourselves safe. Thank you so much.